Kajabi just outdid themselves yet again with another AI automated feature. Yesterday I was hanging out, minding my own business, building my product on Kajabi. And all of a sudden this little pop-up appeared that asked me if I wanted to let Kajabi generate my sales emails. Yes, that's right. Kajabi now offers sales email generators through AI. We talked about this a couple weeks ago with the course outline generator, which is right here. But there's also this new little guy popping up, the email content generator. And so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to demo this using the course that I am building as kind of the guinea pig to do this experiment. If you are new here, my name's Lane. I love to help online entrepreneurs start and grow profitable businesses using Kajabi. If you are not on Kajabi yet, you should use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That gets you 30 days free on Kajabi to just try it out, see what you think. You also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me, and you get my $25,000 course launch email template and my free course called the Kajabi Accelerator. All that to help you get the best possible start on that platform. You can get all that at lanesebring.com/Kajabi, so jump on and get started right away. Sales email generator, let's go. So the first thing it's going to ask us is course topic. So the course topic is leadership and preaching. Let's just start there with a generic situation. By the way, this is what I'm promoting. So just to kind of give you an idea, strategic leadership bundle. If your leadership and preaching are not aligned, your vision will never come to life. Keep reading and I'll show you how this program can help you strategically align your leadership efforts with your preaching to see your church's vision fulfilled. Now, keep in mind, this is a work in progress, this particular landing page. So this video has to be replaced. Everything else is where it's supposed to be. So this is what it looks like inside the course, power-packed course that will guide you and your team to strategic growth in 5 key areas: communication, growth, reach, development, and multiplication. So that's what we're dealing with. And this is over at my other business called Preaching Donkey, which is all hosted on Kajabi, of course. So let's jump over and see what they came up with. So, hi, customer name. Are you struggling to become a better leader and preacher? Do you want to learn the skills and techniques to help you become a more effective leader in preaching? Now is the time to take action and purchase my course on leadership and preaching. My course, the Strategic Leadership Bundle, will teach you the essential skills and techniques you need to become a better leader and preacher for $497 for the premium version and $247 for the basic. Click here to purchase, add link below. My course offers the following benefits: learn the essential skills and techniques to become a better leader and preacher, understand the fundamentals of preaching and how to apply them, develop the confidence and knowledge to become a successful leader. Consider adding a testimonial here. It's a good idea. Don't wait any longer. Click here to purchase. So this is a pretty generic start, right? Obviously, given that I built the course and given that I have a set of things that I want to communicate in my sales copy about the course, I'm probably going to build on it. But what I like about this is that it gets me started with a basic flow, right? It starts with a question. Are you struggling to become better in this area? Do you want to learn the skills and techniques in order to improve in this area? Okay, that's paragraph 1, a couple of questions. Paragraph 2, now's the time to take action. Purchase my course. I would use words like enroll or join. Insert the name, insert the price. Okay, I probably wouldn't insert the price on the email. I'd want them to go to the sales page in order to sell them on the course there. But like, this is good. Click here to purchase, add link to course. It offers the following benefits. I might say something like, in my course, you will discover how to, or my course will equip you to, or this program will enable you to, something like that. And then a few bullets. Okay, I like this. They list 3. I would put 5 or 7. Always use odd numbers, by the way. They're more dynamic than even. A testimonial, great idea. So there you go. That's a great email. Now, let's get a little bit more specific, and I'll say how to align your leadership and preaching to maximize both. Let's see what this comes up with. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the challenge of leading a congregation and delivering powerful sermons? You're not alone. Many pastors and church leaders struggle to balance the demands of leading a church and preaching powerful sermons. Take the stress out of leading your church and preaching sermons with my course name. Get the course now for only, there's the price. My course will help you discover how to align your leadership and preaching and maximize both. Learn how to create powerful sermons that engage your congregation. Understand how leading a church with confidence and clarity. Add a testimonial. So we see the exact basic template. It seems like they have a basic template that they're going with for sales copy. Begin with a question, then the call to action, then the list of benefits, a testimonial, and then another call to action. So there's a little bit of a formula. And the thing I like about this is, again, I would not suggest just taking this text and just moving it over and copying and pasting it and letting that be your sales copy. But it's a great start. And somebody commented on this on my video about the outline course generator. They said, if someone can't come up with their own outline for a course, then they have no business selling a course. And I understand what he's saying there, that if you're the course creator, you should let this come from your own expertise. But something like an AI generator that will help you get the process started can be helpful. Because obviously you're going to take it and make it your own. And obviously it needs your touch. It needs your human touch. Like, people are coming to you to learn from you because they affinitize with you and they want to learn from you. Okay? So nobody's taking anything away from that. But this is a tool that can help get you started, because the worst thing that can happen is you're sitting in front of a blinking cursor, looking at a blank screen going, what am I going to say? That's what we're trying to avoid. And Kajabi is just trying to make this easier by giving you options. So now when I go to write my emails, which is what I'm doing right now, I'm actually writing the emails that will sell this product. I now have kind of another way to look at this, right? I have my set of sales copy that I kind of start with. I have other emails that I've done in other courses that I can look back on and edit and modify. And now, guess what? I have this. So that's pretty cool. You can jump on to Kajabi and try this for yourself and see what it does for you. I would imagine if I kept adding more prompts, it's going to give me more emails. They all follow this basic flow. And I guarantee you this flow is probably pretty tested inside Kajabi, because they only tailor things to what they know works based on their analytics. So questions, call to action, and direct benefits, testimonial, call to action. That 5-point step system for generating a sales email is a pretty good takeaway from their AI process. So if you just put in your stuff, get those 5 steps, modify them and make them yours, boom, you've got at least one effective email for your sales copy. That's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Jump onto Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, and I'll see you in our 45-minute free call that you get when you do. Check out this playlist right here where I'll talk more about, you guessed it, Kajabi, and how awesome it can be for your business. Click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.